So this is the Suzuki V-Strom 1050DE. This is the touring version. So what you get is these particular graphics from Suzuki. It makes the bike look better. Think of this as a super adventure from Suzuki. So you got a V-twin, a very modern V-twin with timing chain, so no belts to have to worry about. Fairly easy to service. That's its oil filter, and that's your filler cap. These are about 110, 120 horsepower, but for the road, that's still quite a fast bike. Off-road, you would happily kick the back wheel out, and the graphics look really good. You do get the gold forks as well, so that looks good. You get those crash guards, because she's a big super adventure bike, so you're going to drop it. And you do get these off-road style panniers, so they're like aluminium finish. And the seat, like the colour contrast here. Colour contrast actually looks pretty good. Also, you've got cruise control. You've got TFT as well. The screen is non-adjustable. Being a super adventure, you're quite low in the seat, but then you've got this massive cockpit. So you've got a lot of wind protection. From the screen, so you get very little buffeting, and LED lights. And it's interesting. It's a affordable way to get into a super adventure bike from Suzuki.